Becoming a part of a streamer's community is not only fun and exciting for you, it helps them to continually build on their momentum. Additionally, if you have subscribed to a channel on Twitch, you will often find that the same streamer has special Discord channels set up for you and other subs. My name is qoqsik, I stream on Twitch, do designs and art, and I also have a small store with badges, panels and overlays. In this video, we will learn how to link Twitch to Discord and find out what opportunities arise by doing it. In order for you to access them, you must first link your Twitch account to your Discord account. To link Discord to your Twitch account, you will need to complete the following. Sign in to your Discord account. Then click on the settings icon in the lower left-hand corner. It will be next to your name. From the menu that appears, choose the Connections option under User Settings. You will see a list of available connections. Click on the Twitch icon. A window will open to link to your Twitch account. It will only work if you are logged into the Twitch account that you wish to link. To unlink a Discord account for a Twitch account, you will need to complete the following. Locate your linked Twitch account, then click the X on the same bar. From there, you will be able to disconnect the accounts. If you want to ensure that your Twitch and Discord accounts are completely disconnected, you will need to Deauthorize Discord on your Twitch account. You can do that by completing the following. Log into your Twitch account, then click on your avatar in the upper right-hand corner. Click the Connections tab at the top of the page. Scroll down through your connections until you find Discord and disconnected it there. The main reason to link your Twitch and Discord accounts is to take advantage of sub-only channels in communities where you are subbed on Twitch. Streamers will also generally allow sub to use their channel's emotes within the Discord, giving you an extra perk. While perks vary from community to community based on what the streamer wants, you may often be able to have planned special events, play with the streamer, or just get to know other subs who love the same content you do. How long does it take to get a sub role on Discord? Discord refreshes a server hourly, so it may take up to an hour for you to get sub-role perks. Smaller communities may be willing to sync things faster if you are waiting in a queue to play with the streamer or engage with the content in other sub-only way. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave them in the comment. On my channel, you can find more videos on streaming topics and a link to my small design store for streamers in the description. Good luck with your streams! Bye!